Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some pan-seared chicken. Now, right here, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm giving them a generous serving of seasoning. Now, that's the BadBwoy spice mix, but you can use whatever type of all-purpose seasoning you like, or you can just simply use salt and pepper. So I'm also going to be adding some green seasoning here, and this is just a mixture of thyme, scallion, garlic, ginger, onion, and we're gonna just blend it out in a little bit of white distilled vinegar, or you can just look up a recipe online, right? So now to get started, we're gonna add some coconut oil to a saucepan. Now once that's heated up and you see light smoke, that's perfect searing temperature. Now those little black seeds that you're looking at, those are cloves, or should I say allspice, or pimento seeds, whichever one you call them. And you also want to be careful because sometimes this oil will splat because of the moisture from the chicken. You don't want to get burned, right? So after about 2 minutes of searing, once you see that color start setting in on one side, that's a good indicator that it's time to start flipping these. All right. Now we're gonna remove the pot, put it in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, so we're gonna be serving this chicken with a salad, and we're just using some spring mix here, which is baby arugula, spinach, butter lettuce, and a few more greens in there. And I'm also gonna be adding some fresh strawberries to this, and that's just to brighten the flavor a little bit up. I'm also adding some mild banana peppers here. Now these will just add a nice slight bit of spice along with a little bit of tanginess, right? Just perfect. So here I have some pickled jalapenos, which have been fermenting for probably about a week now. I'm gonna be adding some of that juice to it also, all right? And also I'm gonna be cutting up some of it in. Now, if you're not a big fan of the spice, then you could leave this part out. It's definitely optional. So at this point in time, it's been about 20 minutes, and it's time to remove those chicken thighs, which are looking absolutely amazing. Now, to keep these thighs nice and moist, you want to let them rest for about 5 minutes after removing them from the oven before starting to cut into them, all right? And yeah, we're just doing a nice little serving now, and this is going to go on top of the salad. And I think you guys can take it from here. And thanks for watching as usual. Please leave a comment and also share this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, right? Because we're trying to build this channel up. And again, remember, it's dinner time. See you later.